Thanks to the Developer Avocados for letting me be a part of the 2020 Adventcado. My name is Dwane. I'm a JavaScript developer advocate at Vonage. A little about me: besides family, two of the most consistent things in my life have been hip hop and code. Both have provided me opportunities to be able to see and do cool things and meet amazing like-minded people who I get to call friends. Every once in a while, when inspiration hits, I like to design things, mostly t-shirts, logos, etc. I've been hosting a radio show called Our Show here in Orlando, Florida at a local college station for a little over 11 years now. We then take this show and turn it into a podcast so that people around the world can get a chance to listen to it later. I also like to make random websites and web applications. Whenever I'm learning a new topic or technology, I like to build something using it so that I can understand it better. Plus, it feeds my addiction to buying domain names. Some may call it a problem. I call it a learning opportunity. What else? I live in a van called Dom.
Shadow DOM, Virtual DOM.
It's been about 3 or 4 months, and I'm slowly building out the inside. I want to be able to live in it and see where the things I use best fit for me before finalizing a layout. The plan was to be able to travel to different places around the country and be embedded in the local hip hop and tech scenes and meet and speak with folks. But then there was COVID, and that changed up the plans. It's cool though, because I still get to travel and work from different locations like parks, which I enjoy. So now, how did I get into developer relations? Oh, sorry, I gotta take this. All right. I got some notes on my phone to make sure I cover everything. How did I get into developer relations? I'm pretty active in the local Orlando coding meetup community. I go to a lot of different events and take any opportunity to speak or give a lightning talk about something I'm learning and excited. And I get also to speak with other folks at the meetups. I met a friend who is in developer relations, and they said I would be pretty good at it. I asked them what was involved and found out that I could be making a living doing what I was doing for free already. Sign me up. Now, have you ever bought a car and right after that, you start seeing the same car everywhere you go? That's how it was for me when I discovered the world of developer relations. I kept seeing Devrel positions on different job boards. One day I saw one for Nexmo, now Vonage, and I was like, I know them. I use their SMS API to be able to send notifications to listeners when the radio show is live. And I remember having a good experience setting it up. I looked more into the company and saw they did way more. What I also liked was that there was an email to send resumes to. Now, I've always been a hobby coder, and a few years ago I decided to see if I could turn that hobby into a profession and attended a coding boot camp. All the jobs I got previously were due to meeting people and showing them what I was capable of. The automated upload screening process instantly rejects me because I don't have certain predefined keywords. So I sent the email that listed what the position was looking for, and for each one, I had a description of how I felt I met the requirements, and I linked to whether it be a video of a talk, blog post, or a web application I did. Got a response, did some interviews, built a demo application, and now I'm here. What advice would you give people looking to join you? Disclaimer, I'm horrible at giving general advice. I think it would be different depending on the situation someone is in. So I guess reach out if you want something specific. For me though, Devrel by definition involves dealing with people. So be welcoming, be cool, be patient, and be understanding. Basically, be a good human being. continuing on, how has your role changed in the past year? Well, I've only been I've been doing Devrel for about a year, so it's all still new to me. Before everything shut down, I was able to travel and speak with people from all over the world about what they're into. Now it's online, which is different. It's okay, but different. Other than events, this year I've been able to do some research into new technologies, write some blog posts, create demo applications, update documentation, take part in live streams, record tutorials, do some actual user testing, which was great, and some other things I'm probably forgetting. If the Developer Avocados have me back next year, I guess we can compare then. All right, finally, how do you see the future of Devrel? Well, 2020 has pretty much thrown any predictions I have right out the window. Like I said before, I believe Devrel is centered around developer interaction. So if the way we interact with developer changes, I believe Devrel will adapt. And so yeah, I think that's everything. Once again, thanks to the Developer Avocados for having me, and shout out to everyone participating in this year's Adventcado. If you want to reach out, my website is lifelong.dev, and till I see you around, be safe. Thanks.